Hello, how are you? How are you? You know one thing, I would like to spend in this forest frequently, time to time. You know why? It removes all the tensions from our mind. See how beautiful the forests. Whatever tensions, whatever worry, whatever suffering, whatever anxiety you have, just come to nature and express yourself. Nature listens to you. It listens your words, and it has power to heal the stress. So when are you going to near nature? Just comment below. I'm feeling so grateful for giving this much of a beautiful life by universe. I'm so thankful. Oh universe, thank you for giving me such a beautiful life. Just say this gratitude. Just feel this gratitude in the daily routine. It brings you joy, happiness. All the best. Just keep your physical strength fit and mental strength up to the mark. Don't roam near the hospitals. Its ceilings are very boring, my dear friends. Instead of just maintain a little. Are you will you do service for your vehicle time to time, changing engine oil, cleaning, maintenance, changing the air filter? In the same way, it's our body has a requirement to maintain. Just give us some little workout periodically, daily or twice a day, or at least twice a week. Just roam around your nearby nature or park or roads. It keeps you fit, and more important is have a good balanced diet. It's nothing but consuming a fiber rich fruits, uh, protein foods, and little carbohydrates. If you are slim, then no need to worry how you are taking how we are taking till now. Just keep continue. But if you are some fatness present in your body, then decrease the carbohydrate content and increase protein and fiber foods. And the important most beautiful tip to remove belly fat is just skip the meals of dinner, and you see the results, and continue stretching and running workouts. You will say results, you will see the results, and you will feel great. All the best. Stay fit, stay healthy, stay active.